Tears Are Precious Enough to Save. That's the title of chapter 32 from the book The Sound of Light by Leonard Sweet and Lisa Sampson. It reads like this: God will meet you at the threshold, holding your tears in a bottle God designed especially for you. The tears collected come not just from your eyes. God also collects the tears of your heart, beloved. The tears you couldn't cry when someone tore into you physically, verbally, emotionally, spiritually, or mentally, and you didn't wish to show weakness. The tears you couldn't cry when circumstances demanded you act with dignity. The tears you couldn't cry when times were hard and you had to set your mind and hand to the task ahead of you for the good of those who relied on you. The tears you couldn't cry when being strong meant hiding how you felt to free another. The tears that came cascading down when waves of sadness came crashing over you, often when you were least prepared for a smash, causing the floodgates to open. The tears you couldn't cry for only the reasons you know. God knows them too and has honored all that you went through by saving them. The one who loves you does this to assure you your trials had a constant witness. Each and every time you sorrowed after loss, each and every time you suffered pain, each and every time you remembered by the one who made you. I know, dear child, God says, swing the door to home wide. I know and I understand. Welcome home. As precious as these tears are to me, no more shall come to you here. The embrace of your Creator feels like love in all its wondrous forms, but in a united whole. The one that is love itself, the one who ushers you inside, keeps this promise. There are no tears in God's home. You are about to enter the house of the only one who can turn life's floods of tears into baths of resuscitation and showers of restoration. Beloved, the time for tears is coming to a close. Here, you are free to love as you have always wanted to love, deeply, lavishly, and joyfully. This is the will of God. This is your true inheritance, child of God. Receive. Let God take it from here. God will, beloved, for God wills. Beloved, beloved, beloved. Is there someone you know that is nearing life's end that needs to hear words like that? Feel free to share this video with them or go and get the book and read it to them.